So in this video, you'll learn how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to an internet via an Ethernet cable. So for this video, I won't be showing you how you do so with a dock. I'll be showing you how you can do so with an adapter so that it's easier for you to connect without necessarily using the dock. So these are the two items that you're going to need for this video, as well as the switch. You'll need an adapter that's similar to this Anchor one that I have right here that supports an Ethernet port, and you'll also need your Ethernet cable. So what you're going to do is simply grab the Ethernet cable and plug it into your adapter. Then once it's been successfully plugged in like that, you're then going to plug in the adapter into your switch. Luckily, the Switch 2 comes with two ports so that you can use any of the Type-C ports that are on it to connect your adapter. So once it looks something similar to this, so you can see here you have the Ethernet cable, you have the adapter, and you have the switch, then the next step is to ensure that the internet is set to wired connection and not to Wi-Fi. So what you're going to do is just navigate to your settings menu, and then you're going to select internet. Under internet, you're going to tap on internet settings. And then once it's scanned for any nearby networks, you're then going to select wired connection. This will automatically start detecting your Ethernet cable. So what you just need to do is just confirm, connect via wired connection, wait for the connection to be established. And once it's been established, you can just tap on OK. So now you'll see even under internet connection status, it's saying wired connection. And when you navigate back to the home screen, you can even see the Wi-Fi icon has been switched out for the Ethernet cable symbol. So now you can go ahead and launch any game that you want to play on your Nintendo Switch 2, and you can continue playing it while you're connected with a wired connection. If you have any questions or comments about this process, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.